Alright, today guys, we're back in the garage. We've got this Dana 44 out of a Jeep Cherokee Wagoneer. What we're doing today is we're going to cut off these brackets for the shocks. We're going to replace them with something that's higher, give them a little more ground clearance when we're going over stuff so we don't knock them off. We're going to clean it up. Got a new diff cover we're going to throw on. Probably repaint it, and I think that's it for today. We're eventually going to tackle the brakes because they're pretty bad, pretty poor. I mean, they're sitting out in the junkyard. Everything's pretty rusted up, so we're going to get to work on that, and then we'll try to put it in here soon. Alright guys, catch you when we start working on it.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just there 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves. Nothing you
Knock them out, ground it off, and smoothed up this, getting ready for to put the new ones on. We're going to ready to tack it after we've got the measurements all down. A big key to doing that is just make sure it's in the right spot, because once you weld that bad boy on, you don't want to have to go back and cut it off and do it again. So make sure so your spacing is right and it's all lined up before you go tack it, and you should be good to go. We're getting ready to tack this bad boy on here, and then we'll finish welding it, and then we'll move on from there.
Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let
After hours of grinding and dust flying everywhere, we finally got down to the bare metal where we can apply the first layer of primer. We're going to do a couple layers tonight, and then we'll let that sit for a couple days before we actually move on to the paint.